Good afternoon, students. In this session, we will discuss some of the MCQs of trigonometric functions. As we have already completed the chapter of trigonometric functions, including miscellaneous exercise and also miscellaneous examples, I said with respect to that exercises like exercise 3.1, 3.2, 3.3 and 3.4, with respect to that miscellaneous exercise and examples also very important, as they may also appear in CET questions also. Now we will discuss some of the MCQs in this session. See, for example, we shouldn't take much time to simplify this. We need to understand the question which is in which form, like in which formula we need to convert, in which formula if we apply, answer will come very early. So like this we need to learn some tricks. So some of the tricks or some of the questions we will simplify. Based on the questions we can further simplify some more another questions. Some MCQs also I will give for your assignment. Then also you can learn somewhat about these MCQs of trigonometric functions. See, first of all, for example, if an equation is in the form of x sin square theta plus y cos square theta. If an equation is in the form of x sin square theta plus y cos square theta, what they will ask means, for example, 2 sin square theta plus y cos square theta, then what is the minimum value of this function or of this equation, or what was the maximum value of that? See, how to identify is, see, if x sin square theta plus y cos square theta is an equation, for example, is a term, in that, see, condition you see, if x is less than y, if x is less than y, here x and y are real numbers, x sin square theta plus y cos square theta, x and y both are real numbers. In that case, if x is less than y, if x is less than y, then x is minimum and y is maximum. Y is maximum. Or if x is greater than y, then if x is greater than y, then x is maximum and y is minimum. And y is minimum. So remember, so these two inequalities are nothing but whichever is less value for that equation, so that will be the minimum value. So whichever more is a larger value in that x and y, that y is nothing but maximum value. If x is maximum, x is maximum. Here in this y is minimum value, so y will consider as minimum value. So this is about first term. See, like based on this also they will ask MCQs. And another term, see, if a cos theta plus b sin theta, if they given in this form, so instead of sin square and cos square, if they given a cos theta plus b sin theta, then maximum value, then to find maximum value of this, maximum value of this is square root of a square plus b square. To find the maximum value of that, the formula is square root of a square plus b square. Then the minimum value is minus square root of a square plus b square. Minus square root of a square plus b square. See, these two are very important. So in this model, the chances will be high to ask a question from this trigonometry. If x sin square theta plus y cos square theta, in this x and y, which is maximum, that only we will consider as maximum, which is minimum, that only we will consider as minimum. If they are given in this form, a cos theta plus b sin theta, then maximum value is square root of a square plus b square, where here a and b are real numbers. Then minimum value of that is minus square root of a square plus b square. See, for example, if the question is like, see based on the first statement, if the question is 2 cos square theta plus 3 sin square theta. If this is an expression, then what is the maximum value? What is maximum? What is minimum? Simply by seeing we can identify which is maximum. So here 3 number is maximum. So 3 is maximum, minimum is 3. Very easy question. But options they may give like, this is option, they may give like infinity and 0, and option C like root 3 by 2. Option D is like 3. For maximum, if they ask maximum, so this was your answer. If they ask minimum, they may change the options like 0, minus 10. This is 2, and D is 1. So in that case, this is the minimum. See, so this is one type of question. See, another question. This is very simple, right? Next, if A cos theta plus B sin theta, then the maximum value is. For example, if the question is like, see, 2 sin theta plus 4 cos theta, or okay, whatever it may be, 2 sin theta plus 4 cos theta. So maximum of this is, then maximum value is, see, option A will give 10, option B 5, option C 2 root 5, option D square root of 10 I will. So in that your option is, absolutely it will be option C. Why? Because to find the maximum value, what was the formula for this? Square root of A square plus B square. Square root of A square plus B square. What is A square? 2 square, or here 2 or 4, whatever it may be you can take. But what was the actual formula? This term you need to convert in terms of A cos theta plus B sin theta. So whatever it may be there in front of cos, that is A square. So for A square 16 plus B square 4, which is nothing but square root of 20. Square root of 20 we can write 5 into 4. Square root of 5 into 4, that 4 we can write outside 2. That is nothing but 2 root 5. So this is one of the model of MCQs in this trigonometric function. Pause the video to note it down. Still we will do some more. Next, note down these questions and we will simplify these MCQs with some solutions. See, here I have listed 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 questions. See, in that first one is, the measure of angles of triangle are in the ratio 2:7:11. Measure of angles of triangle are in the ratio 2:7:11. So for example, you consider this angle as x, this angle as y, and this angle as z. But we know that in a triangle, the angles inside, sum of all, for example, x plus y plus z is equal to what? 180 degrees, right? Now what they said, the measure of angles of triangle are in the ratio they have given. Ratio 2:7:11. That is they given. Measure of angles. Angles in terms of degrees we need. So what was the ratio they have given? They are given in terms of 2:7:11. Now what I will do? So this I will consider as 2x plus 7x plus 11x is equal to 180. Why? Because they are in ratio now. 2 into some x we will take, 7 into some x, 11 into some x. That nothing but sum of these three angles is nothing but 180 degrees, right? This is 2 plus 7, 9x plus 11x, which is 20x is equal to 180. Nothing but x is equal to 180 by 20. So 0 0 cancel, 18 by 2 is nothing but 9. So x value what we got? 9. So if that x value if you substitute here in terms of 2x, 7x and 11x, then the values will become 2 into 9 is nothing but 18. Where is 18? See, here only we got. So option is 18 degrees, 63 degrees and 99 degrees. See, like this, if they given measure of angles of rectangle or square, right, or based on the pentagon, so you need to calculate the sum of the angles should be equal to this. Triangle means 180, rectangular, square or rhombus means 360. Like that you need to take and you need to simplify that x value. X value substitute in this ratio 2 into that x value, you will get the required angles, right? Next, if theta be an acute angle, theta be an acute is nothing but less than 90. Theta be an acute angle and 7 sin square theta plus 3 cos square theta equal to 4. Then the value of tan theta. See what they are given, 7 sin square theta plus 3 cos square theta is equal to 4. So then the value of tan theta we need to find. See, in order to find the value of tan theta, first of all we need to find value of theta, right? If If we know the value of theta, if we theta directly you can substitute here, we will get tan value. How to get theta value? By using this given equation. See that is 7 sin square theta plus 3 cos square theta, which is equal to 4, right? See here we need to convert either in terms of sin or either in terms of cos, then we can get. See here cos I will convert in terms of sin. 7 sin square theta plus 3 into cos square in terms of sin is nothing but 1 minus sin square theta, which is equal to 4. This is 7 sin square theta plus 3 minus 3 sin square theta, which is equal to 4. See 7 sin square theta minus 3 sin square theta, which is equal to 4 sin square theta, which is equal to 4. This plus 3. 4 minus 3, which is equal to 1. Then sin square theta is equal to what? 1 by 4. Then sin theta is equal to what? 1 by 2. Square root of 1 by 4 is nothing but 1 by 2. See here we will get plus or minus 1 by 2. But we won't take, see sin theta actually according to this we will get sin theta equal to plus or minus 1 by 2. Nothing but sin theta equal to 1 by 2 or sin theta is equal to minus 1 by 2. But they are given condition that theta be an acute angle. Acute means less than 90. Less than 90 means in first quadrant. In first quadrant all are positive. There is no chance of negative. So this condition we won't take. We will take only sin theta equal to 1 by 2. If sin theta equal to 1 by 2, what may be the theta? Theta equal to 30 degrees, right? So then only sin 30 is equal to 1 by 2. So now we got theta value. Theta 30 degrees you substitute. What is tan 30? 1 by root 3. Like that we need to simplify equation. You find theta and then you substitute here, you will get the required answer. Next, if tan theta is equal to 1, tan theta is equal to 1, then the value of 8 sin theta plus 5 cos theta. So if you observe these two questions, here first they have the equation, we have simplified theta and we have substituted. That is about this problem. But when it comes to this, starting only they have given angle, nothing but tan theta is equal to 1. Then what may be theta? Theta is equal to pi by 4 or nothing but 45 degrees, right? That theta equal to pi by 4 we need to substitute in this given equation, right? So simplify this. Theta equal to pi by 4, nothing but 45 degrees you substitute in this given equation. 8 into theta, here we according to this we can get theta equal to pi by 4. Pi by 4 you substitute sin pi by 4, nothing but sin 45 is 1 by root 2 plus 5 into cos 45. Again it is 1 by root 2 divided by, this is sin cube theta. Sin theta is 1 by root 2. So 1 by root 2 whole cube, which is minus 2 into 1 by root 2 whole cube plus 7 into 1 by root 2. This is I substituted theta value 45 degrees, then I got these values. Now from this 8 by root 2 plus 5 by root 2, which will be 8 plus 5, 13 by root 2. 13 by root 2. Now here LCM you take. 1 by root 2 whole cube is nothing but root 2 whole cube, root 2 whole cube, root 2 whole cube. So LCM will be root 2 whole cube, root 2 whole cube. Then already root 2 whole cube is there, so it is 1 minus already root 2 whole cube it is there, it is minus 2 plus 7 into. Here LCM is root 2 whole cube, but here only one root 2 is there. So we need to multiply root 2 whole square. See 7 into root 2 whole square. Now how we can simplify? This is root 2 and out of 3 1 cancel, again it will be root 2 whole square. So this will be 13 by 1 divided by 1 minus 2 minus 1 plus 7 into root 2 whole square, square root cancel, 7 to 14 minus 1 plus 14 divided by, see cube 1 cancel now, root 2 whole square. Root 2 whole square is nothing but this is 2. So it will be 13 by 1 into this is 2 by again minus 1 plus 14 is 13. 13 cancel, which will be equal to 2. So the value of this whole term is equal to 2, option A. You need to find the theta. Theta is substitute here and simplify very fastly. Without any mistakes, you will get the options very easily. Next, sin pi x by 2. Sin pi x by 2 is equal to x square minus 2x plus 2. Then the value of x is Next, again that's similar to this question number 6 is 7 also. Cos pi x is equal to x square minus x plus pi by 4. Then the value of x will be. See how to approach this problem. See how this sine function is equal to quadratic equation. How we can find simplify. See, that is, you substitute the options. So that was the very easiest approach to that question. Then the value of x they asked, na? Value of x they are asking. The value of x is nothing but either it may be 0, 1 or minus 1. Those values you substitute in terms of x, you will get very easily. See what was the sixth question? Sin pi x by 2 is equal to x square minus 2x plus 2. What are the options given? Option A 0 given, option B 1 given, option C minus 1. So let us substitute here, right? First, nothing but x value 0, nothing but sin pi into 0. 0 into anything, it will become 0. So 0 is equal to x value 0, 0 square minus 0. This is 0, 0 plus 2 is 2. Is 0 is equal to 2? No. So option A wrong. Next, go for option B. 1 you substitute, sin pi into 1 is pi. So it is sin pi by 2 is equal to 1 you substitute, 1 square 1 minus 2 into 1 is 2 plus 2. Minus 2 plus 2 cancel, which is equal to 1. But again we know that sin pi by 2 nothing but sin 90 degrees value is got 1. So that only we got here LHS equal to RHS. Option B is correct. Once you check minus 1 also, right? Sin pi into minus x, nothing but sin minus pi by 2, nothing but minus sin pi by 2. Minus sin pi by 2. Why? Because sin of minus theta. Do you understand or not? Sin of pi into minus 1 by 2. So sin minus pi by 2. But sin of minus theta is what? Minus sin theta. So minus sin pi by 2. So that is this one, minus sin pi by 2, which is equal to. So minus 1 substitute, minus 1 whole square is 1, minus 2 into minus 1 is plus 2, which is equal to 5. But minus sin pi by 2 is minus 1, minus 1 is not equal to 5. So option C also wrong. So clearly the option is option B, which is equal to 1. In this same manner, you substitute the options in terms of x for the question number 7. If you get any doubt, you can ask through WhatsApp. Pause the video to note it down. See here also we have 5 questions. The question number 8. If sin theta and cos theta are roots of the equation, ax square minus bx plus c equal to 0, then ABC satisfy the relation. See, first of all, if sin theta and cos theta are the roots of the equation, generally, for example, if we have alpha and beta are 2 roots of the equation, what is the sum of the roots formula? What is product of the roots formula? For example, if alpha and beta are the roots of the equation, then we will call sum of the roots. Sum of the roots is equal to, if for example in an equation ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. In this equation ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0, if alpha and beta are the roots, then sum of the roots nothing but alpha plus beta is equal to minus b by a. Product of the roots nothing but alpha beta is equal to c by a. So actually this concept will be there in your 9th or 10th it may be. So if not, you remember this. If alpha and beta are roots of the equation ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0, then sum of the roots we will consider as minus b by a, product of the roots we will consider as c by a. But if you observe this given equation, ax square minus bx plus c is there. That means instead of plus b, what is there here? Minus b. So for that equation, see, observe that. For that equation, alpha plus beta is equal to what? B by a itself. Why? Because minus b na minus of minus b plus b by a. Next, alpha beta is equal to c by a. So nothing much change in this. Did you understand this? Now here what are alpha, beta? Alpha and beta are roots. What about here? Sin theta and cos theta are roots. Then this alpha plus beta will become sin theta plus cos theta equal to b by a, and sin theta into cos theta is equal to what? C by a. This is what? Hidden, given in the given question. So from this, what we need to show? Then A, B and C satisfy which relation? Either option A or option B, option C or option D, which relation it will satisfy, we need to find. See, in order to find that, see what I will do is, we know that sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. Sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1, right? Now, see here what I will do is, instead of considering sin square theta plus cos square theta equal to 1, I will consider sin theta plus cos theta is equal to b by a, right? According to this we will get. Now what I will do? I will do squaring on both sides. Do squaring on both sides to this condition only. So then you will get a plus b whole square. It will become a plus b whole square means this is sin square theta plus cos square theta plus 2 sin theta cos theta, which is equal to b square by a square, right? Now why I have considered this equation means, if you do squaring on both sides, you will get sin square plus cos square theta, and again sin theta cos theta, where sin theta cos theta means you can also substitute this. So sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1 plus 2 into sin theta into cos theta, which is nothing but 2c by a, which is equal to b square by a square. Here what is the LCM here? This is a plus 2c by a, which is equal to b square by a square. Here a and here square cancel. Now you multiply this, a square into a, this is a cube plus, sorry, this is a na, one square cancel, a into a square plus a into 2c is 2ac, which is equal to b square. Then if you write into one side, it will become a square minus b square plus 2ac equal to 0. So this is the obtained equation. What is that? A square minus b square plus 2ac equal to 0. So see a square minus b square. See option B. But if you did not observe this condition, a square minus bx plus c, so then it will become alpha plus beta is equal to minus b by a. So actually, among the rules is minus b by a. But according to this, if it is minus b, so then it will be plus b by a. Right? If minus or plus here, no matters. Why? Because we are doing square root on both sides. No, okay, no problem. So like this we will get the question number 8. Next, when it comes to greatest value of sin x, so this is also an important type of model, very important type of model. So note down the questions first. Greatest value of sin x into cos x. Greatest value of sin x into cos x. First of all, tell me what was the range of sin x and what was the range of cos x. If you observe the graphs, range of sin x, this is 1 and this is minus 1. Nothing but minus 1 to 1 is a sine function graph. That sine function is, it may be sin x, it may be sin 2x, it may be sin 3x, whatever it may be. If sine function is there, that range is in between minus 1 to 1 only. That is fixed. Now what I will consider here is, I will consider sin 2x. Sin 2x. So in the form of x, what is there? 2x. No matter. But sin is there means that range is in between minus 1 to 1. So that means it is less than or equal to 1, greater than or equal to minus 1. Right? Now here what they asked, smallest value or greatest value? Greatest value. Greatest value, no? So we need to consider less than or equal to. This highest case we will consider. We will forget about this minus 1. So this is sin 2x is less than or equal to 1, right? Anyhow, whatever you substitute that angle in terms of x, what you will get, that sin 2x is always less than or equal to 1. When it will be equal to 1? When it will be equal to 1? If x is equal to pi by 4. Sorry. Okay. If x is equal to pi by 4, 2 into pi by 4, 2 into, this is pi by 2, sin pi by 2 is 1. In such case it will be equal to 1, but it never exceeds 1. So this was the condition for sin 2x. But we know that sin 2x formula. What is sin 2x? 2 sin x into cos x less than or equal to 1. So the 2 you send this side. Sin x into cos x is less than or equal to 1 by 2. Less than or equal to what? 1 by 2. So if it is less than or equal to 1 by 2, what was the greatest value? Is 1 by 2. So which is option D. It is less than or equal to 1 by 2, right? For example, so this is 0, this is 1 by 2, plus infinity and minus infinity. It is less than or equal to 1 by 2, this side. In this side, which is the greatest value is 1 by 2 only. So this is the maximum value or greatest value. You need to consider like this. You need to first of all you write the range of that for greatest, and also for if they ask the lowest value, what may be the lowest value? You need to consider greater than or equal to minus 1. So greater than or equal to minus 1. That 2 you send this side, it will be greater than or equal to minus 1 by 2. So then minus 1 by 2 will be the smallest value for sin x into cos x. Now next question. The value of sin 20 degrees, sin 40 degrees, sin 60 and sin 80 degrees is. You observe, is there in any form? Can we convert into any one of that formula? See, up to now we cannot convert into any one of that formula by using sin A, sin B, sin C, sin D like that. We don't have any formulas. But sin A into sin B we have. When we will get sin A into sin B? Listen carefully. Think once. Cos of A plus B minus cos of A minus B. You will get minus 2 sin A sin B. In that form you will get. So if you want to convert into like that, we need to select that. Now instead of that, if you observe these four, we know the value of this sin 60. What is sin 60 degrees value? Sin 60 degrees is root 3 by 2. All are in multiplication. Now first I will write this value, sin 60 root 3 by 2. Next what is there? Sin 20 degrees, sin 40 degrees, sin 80 degrees is there. This is root 3 by 2 into. If you observe this is sin 20 degrees, sin 40 and sin 80. If you observe these two, how we can write sin 60 as, sin 40 as? Sin 40 we can write as 60 degrees minus 20 degrees into sin 80 degrees we can write as 60 degrees plus 20 degrees. Right, we can write or not? 40 you can write 60 minus 20, 80 you can write 60 plus 20. Why I have converted like this? Because while doing exercise 3.3 problems, we have gone through this formula, that is sin of A plus B into sin of A minus B, which results sin square A minus sin square B. Right or not? Sin square A minus sin square B. We apply that formula here, which is root 3 by 2 into sin 20 degrees into sin of A plus B. Sorry, nothing but sin square A minus sin square B. What is sin square A? Sin square 60 degrees minus sin square 20 degrees. So which is root 3 by 2 into sin 20 degrees into. What is sin 60 degrees value? Here we have written a sin 60 is root 3 by 2. Root 3 by 2 whole square, which is 3 by 4 minus sin square 20 degrees. Now we take LCM here. This is root 3 by 2 into sin 20 degrees into 3 minus 4 sin square 20 degrees divided by 4. This is what LCM of this. Now if we take this 4 outside, if you bring this 4 outside, it will become root 3 by 2 into 4, 8. You multiply sin 20 here inside, it will be 3 sin 20 degrees, 3 into sin 20 degrees minus 4 into sin 20 into sin square 20 degrees. It will become sin cube 20 degrees. Now you tell me guys, this is in which form? This is in which form? See, what is the formula of sin 3 theta? Sin 3 theta formula is 3 sin theta minus 4 sin cube theta. Here theta, here theta. It will be 3 times of 3 theta, right? Here also sin 3 sin 20 minus 4 sin cube 20. So it will become sin 3 times of 20. So which is equal to root 3 by 8 into sin 3 times of 20 is nothing but sin 60. Sin 60 value is what? root 3 by 2. Root 3 into root 3 how much? This is 3. 8 into 2 is equal to 16. So option is 3 by 16. Here one thing you need to observe, sin 3 into 20 degrees which is equal to sin 60 degrees, but 3 into sin 20 degrees is not equal to sin 60 degrees. Observe these two. Why? Because here we are multiplying with angle, so angle we can multiply here, but not like 3 into sine function is not equal to sin 60 degrees. That also you need to remember. So this is also very good important question. The value of sin 20. So out of this, if you know the any value, you keep it aside and write it down. Convert into any one of that form. So finally you will get the whole value of that term. Pause 0 to note it down. Next question. The value of cos pi by 5 into cos 2 pi by 5, cos 4 pi by 5 into cos 8 pi by 5. See, this is a very easy question. This is very easy question. By seeing that, I will tick that answer is minus 1 by 16. See, after I will find the solution here. After that, I will tell a logic. Based on that, you also can tell. Right? So first of all, you need to first learn the method how to solve. After that, how to write directly, I will tell. Cos pi by 5 into cos 2 pi by 5 into cos 4 pi by 5 into cos 8 pi by 5. In which form we need to convert is, do you know the formula of sin 2 theta? What is that? 2 sin theta into cos theta. 2 sin theta into cos theta. Here we have only cos terms. But if we multiply that cos term with this sin, what we will get in terms of sin we will get. So like that we need to multiply. See here what I will do is, I will multiply and divided with 2 sin pi by 5. Multiply and divided with 2 sin pi by 5, cos pi by 5, cos 2 pi by 5, cos 4 pi by 5 and cos 8 pi by 5. See here, observe this logic. What I have done is multiply and divided with 2 sin pi by 5. See, these two will be cancelled, nothing will happen to that equation. But why I am multiplying this is, this will be converted into 2 sin theta cos theta. Angular same, no? 2 sin theta cos theta. What is that formula? 2 sin theta cos theta? That is sin, sorry. This is sin 2 theta. This is sin 2 theta. So it will become 1 by 2 sin pi by 5 into. So this will become sin 2 theta. 2 into what is theta? Pi by 5, which is 2 pi by 5. Into what are remaining terms? Cos 2 pi by 5 into cos 4 pi by 5 into cos 8 pi by 5. Right? Now, again if you observe these two, which are in the form of sin theta into cos theta. Sin theta into cos theta. Then what we need to do? We need to multiply and divide it with only 2. So it will become 1 by 4 sin pi by 5. Multiply and divide it 2. 2 into 2 it will become 4. So this will be 2 sin 2 pi by 5 cos 2 pi by 5. So this is cos 4 pi by 5 into cos 8 pi by 5. Then again if you observe this in the form of 2 sin theta cos theta. What is theta here? 2 pi by 5, 2 pi by 5. What is 2 sin theta cos theta formula? Sin 2 theta. Observe here carefully. 2 sin theta cos theta will become sin 2 theta. What is that? Sin 2 theta. Sin 2 into theta. What is theta? 2 pi by 5. So which will be equal to sin 4 pi by 5. Now here again what you will do for next step? Again multiply and divide it with 2. It will become 1 by 8 into sin pi by 5. So it will become 2 sin 4 pi by 5. Again cos 4 pi by 5 into remaining term cos 8 pi by 5. Again this is the form of 2 sin theta cos theta, which will become sin 2 theta. So which is 8 sin pi by 5 into sin 2 theta. 2 into 4 pi by 5, which is 8 pi by 5 into cos 8 pi by 5. Now again in the form of sin theta cos theta, you need to multiply and divide it 2. So it will be 1 by 16 sin pi by 5 into. So if you multiply 2 here, it will become 2 sin theta cos theta, which will be sin 2 theta. So sin 2 into 8 pi by 5, 16 pi by 5. See, ultimately what we got is here, see, sin 16 pi by 5 divided by 16 sin pi by 5. Here these two cancel, 1 by 16. No. Sin 16 pi by 5. How to simplify sin 16 pi by 5? Sin 3 pi plus pi by 5 divided by 16 sin pi by 5. So this is 3 pi plus pi by 5, correct or not? 5 3 is 15, 15 plus 5, 16 pi by 4. But it is 3 pi plus. 3 pi plus. This is 1 pi. 1 pi off revolution. This is another revolution, 2 pi. Again this is 3 pi. 3 pi plus. 3 pi plus which quadrant? Third quadrant. Third quadrant theta sign positive or not negative. So it will become minus sin pi by 5 by 16 sin pi by 5. Sin pi by 5, sin pi by 5, which will be equal to minus 1 by 16. Minus 1 by 16. So this is your answer. Now what was the logic in this is, how to identify it is minus 16 instead of solving is, how many cos terms we have? How many cos terms we have? 4. So minus 1 by 2 power 4, which will be minus 1 by 16. Last question of this session, which is 3 tan of theta minus 15 degrees is equal to tan of theta plus 15 degrees, where theta lies in first quadrant, nothing but greater than 0, less than 90. Then what about theta? What about theta value? See, this question we can solve in 2 methods. If they ask in PU exam, we need to follow componendo and dividendo method. Componendo and dividendo method. If they ask in competitive examinations, what you need to do? They ask theta, theta only they are given in options. The theta you substitute in the given question, then you will get the required answer. So that is one method. That means theta if you substitute, you should get LHS equal to RHS. That is one method. Another method, if they ask for a board examination, so how to do? See, they given 3 tan theta minus 15 degrees is equal to tan theta plus 15 degrees is equal to. See here what you need to do is bring this tan theta minus 15 to here. So it will become tan theta plus 15 degrees divided by tan theta minus 15 degrees, which is equal to 3. That means if you bring this one, right side it will be equal to 3. So that 3 I will write 3 by 1. Now according to competendo and dividendo, according to competendo and dividendo, that is, for example, x by y is equal to 2 by 1 is there. So this equation you can write x plus y by x minus y is equal to 2 plus 1 by 2 minus 1. Nothing but x plus y by x minus y, which is equal to 3 by 1. So that is also correct. So if you have any doubt, you can simplify this equation, same values you will get x and y. So this method we will consider as competendo and dividendo to find x and y values also. So here according to this competendo and dividendo, this you consider as x by y is equal to 2 by 1 for example. Then how we can write x plus y by x minus y? What is x here? Tan theta plus 15 plus y. Y is tan theta minus 15 divided by x plus y by x minus y. That is tan theta plus 15 degrees minus tan theta minus 15 degrees x plus y by x minus y, which is equal to 3 plus 1 by 3 minus 1. Now we need to simplify this, then we will get theta. So this is general method, but otherwise to get this option, directly you substitute theta here. First you substitute theta 0 degrees, next pi by 6, pi by 3, pi by 4, which will give LHS equal to RHS. That is your answer. So but the method is tan, we can write it as sin theta plus 15 degrees by cos theta plus 15 plus sin theta minus 15 degrees by cos theta minus 15 degrees whole divided by, this is sin theta plus 15 degrees by cos theta minus 15 degrees minus sin theta minus 15 degrees by cos theta minus 15 degrees. This is plus tan sin by cos, tan sin by cos, sin by cos, sin by cos you write. Now what you need to do is, you do LCM, you take cross multiplication, LCM you take sin theta plus 15 into cos, sin theta plus 15 degrees into cos theta minus 15 degrees plus cos into sin, cos theta plus 15 into sin theta minus 15 divided by, see what was the LCM here? LCM for numerator cos theta plus 15 into cos theta minus 15. Again for denominator also cos theta plus 15, cos theta minus 15. Those LCM will get cancelled. But here in denominator, for this denominator, numerator will become sin into cos, which is sin theta plus 15 into cos theta minus 15 degrees minus cos theta plus 15 into sin theta minus 15 degrees. Now if you observe this, see what I will consider is theta plus 15 degrees I will consider as A, theta minus 15 degrees I will consider as B. Substitute here first of all. So what you will get, sin theta plus 15 is A, sin A cos B plus cos A sin B divided by sin A cos B minus cos A sin B. So it will be converted into this form. So which is of the forms of sin A cos B plus cos A sin B is sin of A plus B, sin of A plus B by sin of A minus B. Check kar lo here. Sin of A plus B by sin of A minus B. See here sin of A plus B. Sin of A plus B. What is, if you do A plus B, what you will get here? A plus B, if you do, what you will get? Theta plus theta, 2 theta, 15 minus 15, 0. So A plus B is 2 theta. Sin 2 theta divided by sin of A minus B. What is A minus B? If you do minus, what you will get? Here it is A minus B, which is equal to theta minus theta cancel, 15 minus of minus 15. 15 plus 15, 30 degrees. So which is sin 30 degrees. Right? So this is what? Sin 2 theta by sin 30 degrees, which is equal to, what is here RHS? 3 plus 1, 4 by 3 minus 1, 2. So 4 by 2, which is equal to 2. So finally here what we got, you say? Sin 2 theta by, see that sin 2 theta divided by sin 30. What is sin 30 degrees value? 1 by 2, which is equal to 2 we got. So here sin 2 theta by 2, nothing but sin 2 theta. So if it will be reciprocal, so you can write here 2 sin theta, which is equal to 2. So theta theta cancel, so 2 cancel, sin 2 theta is equal to 1. When sin 2 theta is equal to 1 means sin 2 into theta, if it is pi by 4, which is equal to 1. Why? Because 2 4's which cancel, sin pi by 2 is equal to 1, right? Sin pi by 2 is equal to 1, right? That means what was the theta value? Theta is nothing but pi by 4. So which gives pi by 4 is our answer. This is the general method how we need to simplify the question. But easiest method is substitute the options. In many questions, in maths questions, what we need to do whenever we need to find x values, that x values options, from that options only we need to substitute. Then we can get very easily. But this is a method. For example, if you substitute, check whether it is correct or not. Pi by 4 you substitute, sin pi by 4 is nothing but 45 degrees. Pi by 4 means 45. Tan 45 minus 15, tan 30. 3 into, what is tan 30 degrees value? 1 by root 3, which is equal to tan theta plus 15. What is theta? 45. 45 plus 15 is what? 60. What is tan 60? Which is equal to root 3. So 3 by root 3. 3 we can write as root 3 into root 3. Root 3 cancel. Then root 3 is equal to root 3. So pi by 4 is our answer. So this is some of the important MCQs questions of this trigonometric functions. See, based on this or based on some another models, I will give assignment questions also. Be ready to do that. Thank you for watching. Thank you. Have a nice day.